Welcome to our course, College Success Seminar, and to Term 2 at Post University. I'll be your instructor for this course, Professor Shannon Wright, and I am pleased to be a part of your educational journey. I know that many of you are starting back to college after a long break and may be intimidated about getting started, but hopefully I'm here to ease your fears and to help you see that this course is going to teach you so much about yourself, and you will end these 8 weeks with a greater knowledge of not only how to become successful in college, but also in life. Each week, we're going to discuss different topics that range from time management to financial literacy to your learning style. And I know that you're going to learn so much about yourself in the process. My best piece of advice as you get started is to practice effective time management strategies from the start of the course. You should be planning to spend at least 30 minutes a day on your readings and different exercises and activities for the course. And I will be posting announcements 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So you should check the announcements portion of our course page for more information, because I will post links to helpful articles and videos, as well as many lectures on different topics that we'll be covering each week. I want you to know that I'm here to support you in this process, so please feel free to reach out to me at any time through text or email, and I look forward to sharing this journey with you. Let's make it a great first week.